Okay, here's how you can earn $4, $2, $0.7, $1, $1, $0.9, all the way up to making $80 in my first week of joining Whop digital platform. And this is gonna be a full tutorial how you can also make by clipping for creators who are already popular, increase their status and online authenticity. I'm gonna show you how to choose from there will be many clippers how you can get into clipping. This is gonna be a speed run, and make sure you watch the full tutorial in order to understand exactly how you're gonna do it. First thing first, what you want to do is go and join whop.com. Now the link will be in the description. You can join that through using my link. It's totally free for everyone. Anyone can join it. It's for everyone, whether you want to be a clipper for content creators or you want to create your own digital community, build your community, or sell digital courses, sell one-on-ones, even host virtual events through your ads, webinars, and it's even has reward system and affiliate program where you can host on your own and invite users to promote your content. It's an all-in-one platform, better than any digital platform out there, and better than school itself by Alex Hormozi. Now I'm not climbing this myself. It's been reviewed by hundreds of people, hundreds of creators. It's very useful. I even have a community. So with that being said, let me just show you what you're gonna do inside the Whop once you've joined. Now click on discover. So right here you have home, you have search, and you have discover. So let me just go here. Yeah, you have discover, messages, and notifications, dashboard, and affiliates, and your profile. Basically what you want to do is go to the discover. Now once you're inside discover, this is going to be a dashboard, and you want to scroll down. Now here you want to find a free live webinars from Iman Kadzi. So you can, if you're lucky, you might find one. If you're inside Whop official community, then they'll be always live and they're going to teach you something useful. So make sure you join the Whop community, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see content rewards. Now these are all sections which they're going to be showing you how much the community is paying you in order to clip. Now if I click on show all, it's going to open up a separate dashboard showing you various communities offering you a clipping reward system. Now it amongst it varies platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Even you get paid to write posts, you're getting impressions. Now if we compare, is this useful? If we compare with the traditional monetization system from ads, they're gonna give you RPM will be like a really low based on the topics, but here it doesn't dictate by the topics. Now you need to understand, they regardless pay you if you create on their, I mean you need to follow some rules. Basically they give you some guidelines. If you stay within the guidelines, it doesn't care about RPM. They're gonna have a standard RPM just like this: $2 per 1,000 views, or $3.5 per 1,000 views, or $50 per 1,000 views. Now they're gonna pay you. You can filter it by most paid or highest CPMs or newest, and you can also select the all categories, and you can clip on IG, TikTok, or Twitter, and YouTube itself. Okay, now when it comes to YouTube, it's you can do long form and short form both. They're gonna have some guidelines, so make sure you check that out. Now let's say I want to create so let's just say I want to clip for autopilot clips. So I click on autopilot clips, and here I simply have to join it before I start clipping. Right now I can simply join the clipping system, and it's gonna ask it's giving access. So right now you can see gave access. Now once it's done that, I want to go to their dashboard and check the reward system. Basically all the every useful whatever information you wanted to see, everything will be on the left side, and the right side it will have information related to corresponding to left side. Now what I want to do is scroll down and see where the reward system is. So let me just scroll down and find, okay, right here. So I'm just gonna click on it, and here I can see of the $3,873, $1,873 has been paid out. That means, and you can also see the timeline. So it's they have given 183 days. Now in that 183 days, okay, either the days comes to 0 or the payout goes to 0. You can create as long as both the things are not zero. Either one of these are not zero. You can see requirements, it must be 15 seconds length. Now it's very easy. Anybody can create 15 seconds, talking about this one, autopilot clips, and get paid $2 per every 1,000 views, right? So you can also see, you can follow all these guidelines, and you all even have the assets. They linked assets for you to use. Okay, now if you're really smart, okay, if you're really smart, you're gonna take leverage of AI to automate this thing. If you're not smart, you're gonna work on all the editors and you go with a traditional system. If you want to know how to use AI for this, let me know in the comments. I'll make a huge video for it. So with that being said, Whop is not only a digital product platform, it's a all-in-one. As I said, it's a lot. Is there a lot? I can speak about this all day, so I'll make a separate huge video, and there will also be a link in the description how to create your Whop store from step by step for beginners in order to succeed on Whop platform. Okay, how to build your successful Whop store and get users and build a landing page. Okay, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. With that being said, catch you on the next one.